Pia philanthropist in Igbo. Philanthropist in Igbo. Fifi. Okuchite. Okwi for okuchite. Okwi onyohi. Okwi onyoshi. Okwi the thief. Okwi the land scammer. Okwi ojiale gundi Igbo wayo. Okwi neji ala. Ne gundi Igbo wayo. Okwi neji ala footballer. Ne gundi Igbo wayo. Okwi the criminal. Okwi the former Yahoo boy. Neji ala. Ne gundi Igbo wayo. Pia okuchite. We are going to go over for her. I have close analysis on my page. I will only be talking about you for straight 1 month. Apart from you, apart from you, philanthropist in Igbo, you are such a full-blown thief. Guy, I know they pity you because you have a lot of Igbo people's money in your hands. You got 20 million. Give ya 500 million. This idiot, this claim no philanthropist. Internet help on 20 million with land for 500 billion. For her this season. You know, I have not talked about you for a very long time. You see that money you are owing Kaka for 5 years. Ever since I started talking about you, ever since people started coming to me about you, I've never seen somebody you are owing for 5 years, going to 6 years. But today, I saw it. Pia Okwi the thief. Okwi the onyoshi. Okwi, you are such a thief. I have never seen anybody that is more of a thief than you, Okuchite the philanthropist. I have never seen a Nigerian youth that is more of a thief than you, Okuchite. You are such a full-blown thief. Ndibo total 20 million nyeronyaka. Gana Zundibo wala 500 million. Ndibo total 30 million nyeronyaka because you came out on the internet to cry that this particular person need help. Igana zu gena Ndibo ego ha ni na-erala. Gana zu na Ndibo ego ha ni we agent na-erala Chineke kpọrọ nego ọkụ. So a thief. Iwonyoshi ahụ anya. We do your worst. You were a criminal. You are such a thief. No, philanthropist. You philanthropist now Igbo. You may go like kaka. That work kaka with interest. He's your brother. You go chawa yo go and one negi. Agwe onye rugidere Yahoo, shina Yahoo, but I mean philanthropist in 2 years. When you are donating money to him, now to your job. Because when you want to keep for it one day, the spirit of Yahoo abaya nime, the spirit of Oshi, eja scam mama to baya nime, you break no chowe ya. You may go like kaka for 5 years. No, let no receipt. What people? They could not see receipt before they go say, oh Chisom, you are dragging an innocent man. We not do you anything. Oh Chisom, you they drag Okuchite. We not do you anything. You they drag philanthropist in Igbo. In your life, in your next life, you can never be like Okuchite. Your mother toto. Let no receipt since 2021. Ever since I started calling this out, I've never seen a person. Oh, Jehovah, 5 years. This is my first time of seeing a person Okuchite to Jehovah for 5 years. Nigga, you have been owing somebody 10 million for 5 years. You know the big call, you know the reply message. The guy go test you, you know go reply. And it's not as if the guy is from Imo State. One nigga that comes from the same place where you come from. You were a thief. You may go read kaka. Onyohi, you may go read kaka. Ganye kaka with interest. I wouldn't kaka may invest that 10 million naira to a business. Kaka for don't get like 50 million or 100 million. You never can tell. But Oji anyegi, kinyere akakotala, na that real estate market, na that real estate na yama 50 people. Like if you, the philanthropist, if you are able to get 50 people, now the land they got very cheap, which will be for 5 million. Now he trusted you and gave you that money, gave you 10 million naira since 5 years. Gave putana query, beside the putana query. I don't pity you because you were a thief. I don't pity your condition. You don't want being pitied. It won't wash. I can't never had again. You the owe person 10 million. You know they replied in person message for complete 5 years, and you still get mind. You still have the effrontery to forward the person your account number in a birthday. Boy, you won't yoshi. I hope to be more yoshi the one. Now for your hand, come with your yoshi, but then I'm doshi name exist. Boy, you are such a full-blown thief. You won't know you will go kaka. Gaji kaka. In your go yaho, each year for 5 years, which is 10 million. In your interest. In your kaka each year. He add that interest because your criminality will hurt you. It will begin to haunt you. It didn't matter for complete 1 year, 2 years. You will pay and pay with interest. You understand? Business. Philanthropist. Before you come to my comment section to defend that useless criminal, to defend that useless idiot, is a thief. Okuchite. Unu papa ya. Ya will go kakanya with interest. Because he claims that that land that Kaka paid for 5 years ago, 5 million, 2 plots, is now 50 million per plot. Or claim on allow Kaka Puriyogoya 5 years ago, 5 million is now 50 million in that real estate. He paid for 2 plots. Baziano this Baziano on your share. Go will go kakanya with interest. Go will go kaka with interest. Because we are going to go or for her on this internet. Nigga, you're such a thief. You won't know shit. But again, we're popular people, property. They advertise your criminality. I am not coming for the real estate. But when you refuse to pay that money, Kaka, when you refuse to pay Kaka that money with interest, I will come for you. I will come for you. I will make video till FBI. I don't know. I will come for you. And I make sure that the reputation will get hit a toilet before. Man, I want to the toilet. And I make sure that reputation will go for 1 bar. Now they hit a period. Whatever Kaka. And when you are giving Kaka that money, pay with interest. Since you claim that, allow Kaka, because it's in picture of the land, it's in all the receipts. You claim now that that land is now 50 million per plot. So give Kaka interest because he paid you for that land. 2 plots, 10 million naira. You opened your mouth to tell him that, oh, if you the philanthropist, that if you bring more people, like 50 people, that the real estate is going to slash it and do discounts for the people you brought to buy the land in that real estate, which will be the land area 8 million. I guess it's down for 5 million, which Kaka paid you 5 million naira per plot and paid for 2 plots. Where is that land today? You are not picking his calls. You are not replying his messages. You don't want to talk to him for complete 5 years. For 5 years of having Kaka's money. The only time you replied Kaka's message, you reminded him that that land is now 50 million naira. And he paid 5 years ago when the land was 5 million. I just want to tell you, mother, that you are going to pay Kaka that money with interest. I'm giving you 24 hours to pay Ishinego, to go and pay Kaka his money. If not, I'm a dokashi up negi. I'm a dokashi up negi on this internet. If the Igbos like, let them hate me. But I pay Ofonya, you know, you Igbo people, most of you are sentimental. The philanthropists, you come to the comment section to say trash. Philanthropists are jaho. Carry Kaka money, give them. I am not coming for the real estate because the real estate might not know that you sold a land to Kaka and issued a receipt to Kaka. You understand? But between you and I, you thief. On your share, or Igana hospital, get dinner for 1 week. Oh, you thief. You bloody thief. Igana hospital, get dinner. Oh, you have the millions. You are all Igbos. You fight the people that are even contributing money for you to help people. I am not gullible. I am not useless. I don't follow people like you because you people are too fake. On your shit. On your Yahoo. Where go Kaka Kaka? Makanamuna give me or half or hand internet. I may make sure let him your reputation hit a period. When I tell you this, I mean it. I may make sure that reputation of for 1 bar. Emma, I don't get the lamia, yeah, for 1 bar. The remaining what I may hit a period. Period Shimonato. I may your reputation hit a period. What Neki and carry Kaka's money and give him. Give Kaka his money. Give Kaka his money. This one you are seeing is just a little evidence. I will bring out your chat. Your voice recording, everything you people had. I'm going to fucking bring it out on this internet. And people will know how of a thief how on your share you have such a bad, terrible reputation. I pity those Igbo girls for the Chigana. I pity the people now through Gego. You won your shit. Amen. I give away. I drink that your tears. Man, go and pay Kaka his money. Pay him.